My name is Nanfa Solomon. I'm the Group Chief Visionary Officer of Concept Make It Happen. Concept Make It Happen is a experiential marketing agency where we partner with our clients to try and drive their marketing success in partnership to also grow their brand. For us as a business, one of the key things we do is to understand each of our clients' pain points and develop key pathways for them to actually drive their business, drive their return on investment, and make them more visible and build strong brand salience between consumer and their brand. And we have the big opportunity to work for multinational companies like Unilever, Guinness Ghana, we work for Friesland, we work for Lash Hair, and we've had opportunity to do some project as well for KPMG. So it gives us a big opportunity because of the kind of clients we work for in FMCG. We collect a lot of data. I'll triangulate it into our partnership straight with Blossom Academy, where they have facilitated us in the last 1.5 years to have their intern come work with us, where our primary focus is then how we collect a lot of data. How do we grow this data point to make it more valuable? Because we collect big data for our client. And I think Blossom Academy have been a very good partner, and they've supported us with interns who come into the business, dissect our data, build capability around our data, and ensure that we are using this big data that we collect, mirror them to tell the trend of what is happening in our clients' business, trying to showcase to them the trend that is happening, whether they are losing market share, whether they are losing competitive advantage. But all this is a story that Blossom Academies have helped us mirror data to tell a story for us to be able to succeed as a business in terms of the value we bring on data management. So for me, top of my mind, I see that Blossom Academies interns are very dedicated people. I mean, once we handle them data, they deliver according to timeline, which is quite exciting for us. I've seen them mirror data that we have kept for like a year, triangulate it and tell a story of month-on-month success achievement, which is good for us. I've seen a very strong sense of good data management, Power BI. I know that one of the challenges we have, we're trying to mirror our data using Power BI so that it's easier for our client to click in a button to interpret the story of what happened region by region. And they've given us a huge boost and support in that area. Today, all the data we collect from our safe merchandising, from our fixed merchandising across both Diageo and Unilever, they've given us tremendous support to actually drive the data and present it in the best way that will help us make a very good business decision. So, like I said before now, because of the data we collect, we need to use our data to tell a story. So we're trying to marry two data points together. The data we generate as a business CMIH and the data our client also generates. And they have brought a very good skill set to help us marry the two data together to make an informed decision in one of the projects we are running for our client, Unilever. In the same way, we also run merchandising project for Guinness Ghana, and we have been able to mirror the data to show week-on-week advantage. Where does the advantage lies because of the data? Where does our opportunity lies in terms of growth? Where do we need restocking? Because of the data that they've helped us to chunk to tell a story that we're able to advise our clients accordingly to help them grow, to help them not run out of stock, and to help their projection if they need replenishment for the stock that they have in their stores. Their graduates are all round. Their graduates will bring a lot of value to you in every area of data. I will recommend it from a point of trial because I've tried them once and they have become partner and they have become our go-to people when we need any data opportunity. I mean, we've had 3 interns from them and we don't have any cost to regress. So I recommend for any employer who is looking to grow their data management system, I think Blossom Academy is a very good partner to go to get access of the right people in terms of their kind of development they give to their intern. I think you will not have any regret if you partner with them in area of data management and development, because they will bring the right skill set for you. All you just need to do is to get them to understand the business model. They can produce what you want. I think as business owners, we need to plug into this vision that Blossom Academy have, so that we can also support them by taking the candidate that they bring into the labor market and supporting them to make the project more meaningful, and also help in the development of data management in Ghana. Data is the future. So if you have a partner who is already thinking about the future, creating job opportunity, sharpening skill set for young people, I think it's very recommendable, and I urge every employer to support their business, to support their project, to support their academy, so that they can grow and we can make meaningful data. Even in government, I think we also need very strong data management background to be able to project the future of what is happening. One of the problems we have in African countries is that we don't have statistics, we don't have data. Even for population, we're struggling with data. So I think that even government can extend their extending hand to Blossom Academy to be able to partner with them to build a strong data environment for the growth of Ghana.